everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I completely forgot to film an intro for this video, so I'm just popping on here on my phone to do one. For today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys 3 easy DIYs you can do with plastic Easter eggs. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to make garland and 1 way to make a wreath. And if you've been subscribed to my channel for a long time, you're going to recognize this video. That is because it is old footage that is already up here on my channel, but a lot of you wanted me to bring back DIYs, so I figured I would re-upload some of my more popular ones that are surrounding the holidays that you guys can do. So without further ado, let's get started. For the 2 garlands, you will need plastic Easter eggs and fishing line, and when you are buying the eggs, make sure they have tiny air holes on the top and bottom, or this will not work. For the first garland, we are going to hang the eggs vertically, and to do this, you're just going to open up each egg and string the fishing line through either the top 2 holes or the bottom 2 holes. When doing this, make sure you are stringing it through the egg from the outside and pulling the fishing line out through the second hole, as I am doing here. And I decided to alternate between the top 2 holes and bottom 2 holes because that's what I thought looked best. And you are just going to continue doing this until you have your desired garland length. And this is what it should look like. And then you can just go ahead and hang it up. For the second garland, we are going to hang the eggs horizontally, again by stringing the left side of the fishing line through the left holes and stringing the right side through the right holes. To hold it together, make sure you do tie a knot on the outside of each egg, and then you're just going to continue doing this until you have your desired garland length. When you finish, this is what it should look like, and then you can just go ahead and hang it up. Next, we are going to make the wreath, and to make it, you will need a 10 to 12 inch wreath base, the plastic Easter eggs. These ones do not need to have the holes in them, plastic straw, a hot glue gun, and glue refill sticks. Start by plugging in your glue gun, and once your glue gun is warmed up, begin gluing one side of plastic egg to the base of the wreath. I chose to stick the eggs all along the outside and inside horizontally. For the outside, I pointed the eggs outward, and for the inside, I pointed them inward. And then I chose to stick more eggs along the wreath vertically along the middle. Once you have glued all the eggs on, take the plastic straw and stick it in the open spots until you like the way it looks. This is how mine turned out, and I really like it. So those are just the 3 DIYs. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys would like me to upload more of my past DIYs, definitely let me know. Or if you guys have any new DIYs you would like me to do, let me know down below because I can definitely do them. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new content regularly and would love if you become part of our little family. Also be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified every time I do upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!